Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a quick tip for your robot vacuums. You see these little filters that they want you to buy? Well, you can gut them out. Just make sure you keep the filter frame intact. Try not to destroy it. And I've been using bounce sheets, which I change every other day. But it's a simple process. I usually measure them out, but because I wanted to show you how easy this is, I just eyeballed it. Can't remember which way, where it just goes over here. And that's it. And now when the vacuum is running, it will actually smell nice. So, see you later. Thanks for watching.